Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Lost in USA. My name is Abhishek. I make a lot of fun, gaming, interactive, informative videos on my channel. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my videos. I would appreciate if you drop a like if you like the content, and feel free to write some feedback if you have so that I can improve every time I take your feedback. This is a new channel guys, I definitely need your support. So yeah, please do like my videos. Thanks. With that said, let's get started. As you all know, summers are arriving, and since I live in Southern California, it kind of gets a little hot here. Last year it was crazy due to the heat waves, and I wasn't prepared. This time I wanted to be really prepared, not do a last moment shopping that I had to do last year, because we are expecting heat wave this year too. So yeah, everybody is like going out trying to shop for an AC, and I'm no different. So there were a lot of options out there. You can buy split AC, window AC, portable ACs. But then looking at my home and considering what the design is, I've decided to go ahead with the portable AC. I do try some of the window AC, but as I said, it completely depends on your choice. Uh, at my home, I believe the portable AC would make more sense than the window AC because the windows are not designed in a way that I could fit in uh, a window AC. So yeah, this video is all about unboxing of my new portable AC, and also I'll talk about some of the features and what is pros and cons of this appliance. I would make a detailed video about my experience after some time. I just got it like 2 days ago. So far I'm having a good time with it, but yeah, there will be more detailed video later on my channel. So after considering multiple available options in the market, I decided to go for DeLonghi Pinguino 4-in-1 air conditioner. This is Little Monster, guys, with cooling capacity of 7200 BTU, and it can easily cool your room. The retail price of this unit on Costco is $499, as you can see, plus taxes considering where you live in US. And another important point, guys, is that this particular unit that I'm talking about, which I bought, is not available anywhere else but Costco. You can get these on Costco. It's still available, easily available now, but I got them for a little lesser than what the price it is quoting here now. So I tried to find these on Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart. I could not find them anywhere. So this particular model is only available in Costco. So if you have to buy, I will share the link in the description so you can click and order them online, or you can go to a Costco center and then get them in person. I made a time-lapse video of unboxing this unit, so let me run that in the background while I'll tell you some more about this AC. At the end of this video, you will find the actual recording, which is unedited, sound of this unit, how much noise that it makes, which will help you make a decision. Now let's talk about what's included in the box. So as you can see in the background, it comes with a portable air conditioner, remote control, window installation kit, an instruction manual and quick start guide, and it also comes with a 3-year warranty. And on top of it, you will also get a end of season storage bag, which you can use it to store these AC while you're not using it, and it also comes with accessory storage bag. So the weight of this unit is 67.9 lbs, guys, and dimension is as far as dimension goes, the height of this unit is 34.4 inch, width is 19.3 inch, and the depth is 17.5 inch, guys. All right, so let's now talk about some of the pros of this unit. So the first and foremost for me is that it's pretty easy to move. You can move this unit from room to room with these sturdy wheels that it has, and it has an integrated handless holder that you can hold it. It's pretty integrated with the box, and moving this will help you save energy by just cooling the place that you want to be in. And it is a multifunctional unit, which supports cooling, also does dehumidifies, circulates air using the fan, and you can also use this as a heater. It is easy to set up. You can set it up in a minute. I did by myself. As you can see in the background, I did it on my own. You don't need any tools. And once it is set up, it can cool your room up to 500 square feet with the power that it has within half an hour. I have not big hall. It's somewhere close to 600 square feet, and this unit was easily cooling my home in like half an hour. It has a low fan speed operation, which ensures quiet operation while you are reading, talking, watching TV, or sleeping. It won't irritate you at all. I've seen several other portable ACs, but this one is one of the quieter, I would say, among them. I don't have a, a, a machine to uh, hear the frequency or the sound that it makes, but if I go by the documentation, it is well within the 54 decibel, 52 decibel, which is one of the quietest you would consider among other options available in the market. Those are the two cons. Another thing is it has a heat settings. As I said, it's an added advantage for you to use these throughout the year. Even in the summer, you can use them as a fan. In winter, you can use them as a heater, and for sure in summer you can use them also as a portable AC unit. Um, DeLonghi has a real field technology that analyzes and uses information based on the room temperature and humidity. They have sensors that senses the temperature and humidity in your room, and then they send the data to its CPU unit, which then makes a smart decision of what would be the most appropriate output uh, for your room, which will give you the best experience. It has a washable bio-silver filter at the back, which can be easily cleaned with warm water, or you can toss it whenever needed. It does prevent growth of mold and fungus to remove odor, which is great. That's what you want. The front central touch lighted control panel is very intuitive, uh, which has an option to select mode. You can select fan speed, temperature, and you can also turn on off the uh, power button. So it also comes with a remote, which is pretty convenient, and it comes handy and has similar options as you have on the central panel. You can um, set the temperature, you can control the fan speed, select the mode, or you can power on, power down the appliance. It also has, in addition to it, a timer option. You can set a timer on these machines. It'll only run based on what you've configured it. Pretty convenient in the night times. You can also schedule it to run on a certain time during the day or night, whenever you need. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Most important technology that I'm a big fan of is that it has no drip technology, which makes sure you don't have to really drip the water every now and then. um, all water that it generates due to condensation, it gets recycled, so you don't have to drip the water every time. So these are some of the important features, guys, about this AC unit. Let me know how do you find these. I mean, is it informative enough for you guys? I'm also gonna make a review video after a week or a month of usage, mostly, to see how that goes. So far, for the last 2 days I've been using these. uh, I'm pretty satisfied. It's very quiet. I can move them from my bedroom to the living area without an issue. I can even move the window kit that I have just installed for these. Pretty easy for me to carry them around in the room, and I'm really loving it. I think it's worth money spent. As I said, it's slightly on the higher end when the price is concerned, but then it is worth the money that you're paying. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Do let me know if you like these, or if you have any feedback. Don't forget to write those in the comment section. I'll go uh, over them, and then let me know if I can answer some of the questions of yours, if you have anything related to this product. Thanks. Bye.